Hello, welcome back to the vlog. I'm currently getting ready for hot yoga because I'm meeting a friend today for class and I'm very excited about it. I obviously need to tie up my hair and I haven't washed it or brushed it in a little while, so it's looking extra ratty. I put these two cute little braids in it for an event that I went to earlier this week and I, for some reason, just have not taken them out. I'm gonna try and do a slick back because my hair is greasy anyway, but I'm low-key really in a rush. I got it in the ponytail and I've been loving this Day Cactus Fruit Styling Cream to get all of my little baby hairs. This stuff is awesome. I just recently started using it and it really works. It just gets all those stubborn baby hairs that fly away, like right here. Boop. Like, I'm not good at slick backs, but this makes it easier, so I've been really liking it. Deodorant, of course, my favorite, Mitchum. If you're not using this deodorant, you're missing out. It's the best. Sol de Janeiro body spray. And we're ready. This top is from Story. The owners are the same people as Alani Nu, but they made their own clothing line and I love all of their workout clothes. My cute green shorts are from Amazon. I'm gonna eat this little Nature Valley bar to have something in my stomach before and then head on over. It's cold out today. It's like 60. We are Target. Alrighty, y'all, I got out of class, went home, showered off, ate some food, and now we are en route to the beach. And I'm so excited because it's actually a beautiful sunny day out and the UV is hitting 9 today. 9! I really just want to raw on the beach with a good book, jump in the ocean, swim around, and soak up the sun. That is my definition of a perfect day. I already got my workout in, fueled my body, felt good. I need some caffeine, so as always, cracking open. Oh, that one squirted. A good old energy drink. This is Celsius Watermelon. This is by far my favorite Celsius flavor. I think it just tastes the best. Today is a day that feels like summer and I'm so excited about it. I wonder if the beach is gonna be packed. It's definitely spring break season, so our beaches get pretty full, but we'll see in a second once I get there. I got really lucky and got a spot as someone was pulling out. It's so beautiful. Just look at this. It's actually not as crowded as I thought it would be. Mostly down there, but I went to this side for a reason. Looks like we're actually getting some good waves today. I just love it here. Where should I go? I think I'm gonna go right there. Dead in the center and set up my space and just hang out. Perfect. Yay, okay. I got my towel set up and I'm facing the sun, which is this way, so I'll get some good sun. Water, necessary. Sunscreen, necessary. Book, sunscreen, water, staples. I already put sunscreen on my face and I love this Supergoop. This is the unseen sunscreen, which means there's like no cast, it's just clear, but they also have the glow screen, which gives you a little bit of shine and glimmer. I like that one too. I also like to reapply with this 100% mineral powder Supergoop, and this is sunscreen but just in powder form. It's also really good if you want to get it in like the scalp of your hair, so that's what I like those two for my face. And like I said, I put that on already. Sun Bum, I love me some Sun Bum. This is SPF 50 and this is gonna go all over my body so I don't get fried to a crisp. I'm gonna put this all over so I'm protected. I'm almost out. Alright, and the book that I'm reading is The Things We Leave Unfinished by Rebecca Yarros. And this is actually my March book club pick of the month. We all vote and pick a book together to read every single month. And so this is the one that got picked. I'm like 3/4 of the way done with it and I'm really liking it so far. So my goal is to put a dent in this, if not finish it. And then eventually I'm gonna go jump in that ocean. Time to just lay here and read my book. water is low-key still freezing, but I promised y'all a dunk, so I'm gonna do it. Like, literally nobody is in the water, but here we go. And there's actually so many waves today. We don't get waves in the Gulf, like, ever. Oh gosh. Oh, it's freezing. Oh. I don't know if I can do this. Okay, no, that's enough for me. I tried. It's freezing. I've been walking and looking for seashells, and unfortunately so many of them are broken just from people stepping on them, but there's so many pieces of sand dollars. I love finding these scallops. There's so many different patterns on them. Like, look at this one, the yellow and the pink. That's beautiful. I like to look at the seashells. I don't take a lot home because I have so many, and seashells belong to the ocean. It's always fun to see what I can find. It's like a little scavenger hunt. Look at this little calico scallop. It's so precious. This right here is called a kitten paw, and I oftentimes find these a lot as well. This right here is a slipper snail, and I find these a lot too. There's another one. Oh, that one's broken, but they're so cool to look at, and I love learning all the different names and identification of seashells. All right, I am leaving the beach, and I finished my book. It was so amazing. I feel like I got a little toasty. We're gonna have to figure it out when I get home. If only the ocean was a little bit warmer, I would have gone in. This looks like a lethal orange color. Why is it so neon? Goodles, cheddar flavor, and then chicken apple sausages. Clearly, I've never had this flavor of Goodles because normally they are not that neon colored. Hopefully it's still good. Dinner is served. Here's what it looks like all plated up. It doesn't look bad. It just looks different than any of the other Goodles I've had before. It's also steaming hot. Okay. I see it. It's still good. This one is obviously like the cheddar mac and cheese flavor, and I think that's honestly my least favorite Goodles flavor I've tried. I really like the Shella Good and Twisted Parm are probably my favorites, but Goodles have been my hyper fixation meal recently. I'm not a big pasta person at all, but it's like a high protein plant fiber mac and cheese. I can make the whole box, add a protein, and then have leftovers. It's really delicious and it's not bad for you. I got home from the beach, I showered, I had such an amazing shower, washed my hair, and did a good job with my sunscreen besides one place. And guess where that place is? The part of my back that I can't reach. I got fried on my back, and that is the only place because I literally can't reach that part of my back to put sunscreen on. I did so good everywhere else. Unfortunately, it's a little red and toasty back there, but it's okay. It doesn't hurt too bad, and I already put lotion all over my body and tried to reach it up there. It's hard when you live alone and do things alone because I can't reach that part of my body. I just cracked open a lemon lime poppy. I drink one once a day and it makes me happy because I'm such a drink girl. I walked to the mailroom after I got home from the beach and I got an Amazon package. We're gonna open it together. It's not very exciting, but here we go. Toilet paper. Toilet paper is so exciting, so fun. Adulting is not fun when you realize how fast you go through toilet paper and how expensive it is. I like this one from Amazon. It's Comfort Plus and it's like 12 rolls. I'm having friends come stay with me for a week next week, so I wanted to make sure I had more than enough toilet paper for 3 girls. So that was the first thing. And the second thing I'm actually excited about, a new Brita. I don't have a water machine. Is that what you call it? Like a water filter in my apartment. And so I've been using a little Brita. I'll show you. Y'all have definitely seen me use this before, but this was like 13 bucks off Amazon. But I needed to buy new water filters for it anyway. And I noticed that there was getting mold, and I wash it in the dishwasher, but I was like, you know what? It's time to upgrade. I've had this thing for going on 3 years now. 2 years? I don't know. I'm wanting one of these for a while, and I figured before I have people come stay with me where we're all gonna be chugging our water all day long, this would be nice to have. I did a thing and I got the big boy. This isn't even as big as I thought it was gonna be. I thought this thing was gonna be way bigger. Why do these look like the same size to me? I've seen my friends that have like the really big one. That's what I thought this was. Oh man, this is not what I wanted. Look at my plant I just bought. She's so cute. I've never owned a real plant before. I'm very excited. I need to get a cute planter, but I really wanted one of these Montserrat. I don't know how to say it, but I wanted one of them, so I got one. And then of course I got flowers. I went to Trader Joe's, if you couldn't tell, and I got all the flowers to have in my apartment because it makes me happy and they're so beautiful. Let's get some vases. Do a medium one and my big large one. Perfect. When you're cutting flowers, I was taught to always cut the bottoms off and then to cut them at an angle. I don't know why, but apparently that helps the water get through their roots better. That could be a complete lie. I could be totally making that up, but that's what I've been told my whole life, so that's what I do. Yay! Beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love roses. They're so beautiful, and once they bloom, they're gonna be even more stunning. Obviously, they don't take up the full vase, so it's time to add our baby's breath to fill in the gaps. Here are my final bouquets. I love, love, love them. Today's task includes deep cleaning my entire apartment before I have some girlfriends come stay with me. Bedding, dishes, bathroom, kitchen, you name it, I'm gonna be scrubbing. I feel like I do a pretty good job of the upkeep of my apartment, deep cleaning when it needs it, but whenever people come, obviously I want it to be spotless. So that's the plan today. Sunday reset. Let's do the thing. I've got my candle lit for ambiance, and we're gonna tackle the dishes first. I hate dishes, but these have been sitting in the sink for so long. They need to go. Kid you not, 2.5 hours, and I'm done. I'm tired. I don't want to do it anymore. The apartment is looking spotless. I just have to do the floors. The vacuum is charging, the laundry is running, everything else is done, so I'm gonna relax. I just got this new Elsie Silver book, Wild Side. This came out a few days ago, and I had pre-ordered it, so I got it the day that it came out. And if you didn't watch my last vlog, I was reading Wild Eyes, which is the second book in this series. So now I'm on to book number 3, and I'm very excited to read it. I love Elsie Silver. She writes all these like cowboy western romances. This is me in a nutshell. Let's start it.